In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get a refund here on Roblox. So you accidentally bought something and you didn't mean to, and you want your Robux back. I'll walk you through exactly how you can request a refund. But before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Let's go ahead and get into this though. Now this works the exact same on roblox.com or in the Roblox app. Begin by tapping more down in the bottom right corner, and from here scroll down until you see the help and safety option on here. It should be down towards the very bottom. Select it and then go ahead and select help, and from here it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to scroll down until you see the payments, gift cards, and subscriptions option. Go ahead and select that to open it up. Up at the very top bar now, go ahead and search for refund and hit enter, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select unauthorized charge and refund request to take you to a page that looks like this. From here, you're going to want to scroll down, and if this was made through iTunes, Apple, Microsoft Store, whether it's the Windows app or Xbox, you'll want to select that link right there. But essentially keep scrolling down until you see the option to contact support. Go ahead and contact support. And what you're going to want to do is fill out this form. Put your username up at the top, first name there, email address there, and then confirm that email address. And from here, put down your device. So I'm going to say iPhone right now. And for the type of help category, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select billing and payments. And from here, go ahead and open up the subcategory and put in, I would like to report an unauthorized charge or request a refund. In the section where you describe your issue, go ahead and say exactly what happened. Explain that you accidentally purchased this item and you didn't mean to, and then make sure you ask very nicely at the end, can I please get a refund? Submit the form, and Roblox usually responds within a few days. If approved, your Robux will be refunded. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.